Hello, another video about the Uniform 3D editor app. So it's about how to import a texture, a color texture for the UV map. So I start here with Nomad Sculpt. So the last time I started this video, I crashed both apps. Okay, so we need a texture. So I painted here the vertex color and I bake here the texture from itself. So now we got here this texture. Okay, so the next thing here, the multi-resolution. I reduce here the multi-resolution to a low poly mesh and I delete the higher ones. And sorry, I have to clean up my files. So I delete this one, and this one. So sorry. Okay. Now files is okay. So the next thing I select here, OBJ file. So I don't know if at GLTF I have only problems. So at the moment I tried with OBJ. So here you can export the textures in a folder and export it. So save. Okay, now here in our folder is the OBJ file and the PNG. Okay, nice. So let's start the Uniform app. Okay, the default sphere here, I delete this one. So I open the inspector and my scene outliner. And here in the scene outliner, I delete the default sphere. So now the empty scene here. And so I demonstrate you a few things here. So here when I pick the folder and drop it, drag drop doesn't work. So that's not possible. This is bad. Okay, so you have to use here this at the top, this small plus thing here. And so you see here poly mesh, low poly mesh. And there's a texture paint mesh import. I hope this is the correct one. So I press here OBJ and see what happens. Yeah, I think here is something wrong. Yeah. Let's do it other way. This video is about how to import a texture. Okay, so I delete this one, and now we add a quad sphere here, this one. So now we want to place here a texture on this. So you have to find here your layer stack thing. Here in the something you somewhere you find layer stack. So press layer stack, and then when you press add layer, you have to scroll down to the layer generators. So, and there you find here import color texture, or normal map you can import. So we need the color texture here. So this one. And then we pick here this one. And the next thing is we can't see anything here. So we have to hold this button here, hold it, And I think we have to make it visible. Shading. It's a really confusing thing here. So let's do a other thing here. Maybe we need unwrap and pack islands. Maybe we need this here. Inspector. Layer stack. So I delete this one. I add again this color texture thing. So it's there, but you can see it, I think. I don't know where the problem is. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I stop here. But I think I upload the video to show the problems. Okay, ciao, have fun with sculpting, ciao.